Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how I made this quarter inside of a box illusion. So this is the main Tinkercad dashboard. You're just going to want to hit create new design. So the first shape we're going to need is a cube. Now, I have a quarter in my hand right now, and I'm just measuring it. You could Google it. Quarters are about 24.15 millimeters. So I think for this, so you can get it properly spinning, I'm going to make it about 24.5 for the hole. So this is going to have to be roughly 28 millimeters. So then I'm just going to hold shift as I scale it up to 28. This will make it all scaled on the same proportion. So then just going to give it a little bit of a edge on it so it'll look a little nicer. I'm going to change that radius to 2. Now we're going to take a sphere. We're going to scale it up to 25 millimeters. You can hold the shift key so it scales on all directions equally. Now we're going to select the two of them. You can hold shift. Then we're going to select the two axes and we're just going to group it. You can kind of pull in the camera to see that it does look like it fully grouped. So you can just double click. Now we're good. Just going to pull in the camera. And then it has been pulled in on all sides. Now we're going to take a cylinder. We're going to click and drag the height up to 30. And then we're just going to put it in the circle. Then I'm going to hold Control and hit D to duplicate it. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to do another Control D. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Then another 90 degrees. Now I'm going to left click. I'm just going to drag it over this whole thing and I'm going to group it. So now there is a spherical hole in here, and that it also is intersecting these other holes in the side so you can see it better. Now I'm just going to double click it. I'm going to take all the cylinders and then I'm just going to pull up the sides so it's a smooth inside. Make sure it's all good. Now if you look on the inside, it's a lot more smooth. Just going into perspective view to make sure that these holes are right where they're supposed to be. This is all good, so then now I'm just going to export for STL. And I'm just going to download it. So now just pull it into your favorite slicing software and then you can print it. So now that you have your slicing software, load it up, you're going to import the file. I'm just going to change the settings on this. Make this verbatim PLA. So now, at least in Cura, so you're going to go to extensions, post-processing, modify G-code, add script, pause at height, and then because the height of this is 28 roughly, I'm going to choose the pause height to be 14. Now it's just going to be slicing. Just going to go into layers view, and you can see that there are tons of support material. This is an arch, so you don't really need it. Just going to unhit generate support. So we're just going to click show travel. Now this should work perfectly fine. I need to have this set to the second extruder on my printer. Now it's time to print it. Now, if the G-code doesn't do it, you can manually pause it. I'm going to hit save to removable drive. Drive in, now I'm going to eject it and want to print it. So guys, thanks for watching. One little footnote is that I forgot to align the holes, so they're a little bit off. And also, because of the way that it was printed and how I had to put the pause in the middle, this area will be a little more susceptible to stress. So remember, if you liked that video, like it. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. And as always, keep on printing.